into the fins of this shovel head. So much to...
Make sure you get full coverage on the shovel head fins.
Copy that. The foam is looking good on the chrome.
Getting deep into the fins now. The foam is lifting decades of grime. Applying the foam gently to the clutch and brake levers, making sure to get deep into the switch housings of this beautiful shovel head. Okay, fuel tank bolt number 1. We'll use the precision ratchet to avoid any stripping on this original hardware. We're pushing into the fuel tank now. You can clearly see the extent of the rust and the varnish buildup on these surfaces.
With controlled precision, we slide the fork assembly down, revealing the aged tubes and traces of the original fork oil.
Using the wrench, the mounting hardware is loosened. Now, we gently twist the oxidized shovel head pipes free and lift them away.
You can really hear the needles working away at the heavy corrosion here. We're finally seeing the original steel underneath.
Ease it out slowly, feel that smooth resistance. Now, into cylinder 1's slot on the organizer. You can see the scoring on the walls. This old shovel head has seen some miles. We use a plastic scraper here to gently lift the old gasket material. We use a fine glass media here to protect the casting. It gives that perfect satin look. The key is to get complete coverage on the crosshatch. This protects the engine during initial startup.
All right, easy now. Keep the pressure even. We don't want to pinch those rings. Okay, center bolts first, then we move outwards. Nice and even pressure. First, we remove the float bolt.
Now we install the new brass jet, carefully seating it. Then the fiber gasket, ensuring perfect alignment.
We use only soft nylon brushes and biodegradable degreaser on these vintage components, ensuring every tooth is perfect.
We use a lint-free cloth and a high-quality wax and grease remover to ensure the metal is absolutely pristine before painting.
We're applying the deep gloss black using slow, overlapping passes with the HVLP gun, ensuring flawless coverage and a mirror finish.
All right, that's seated. Now we'll just torque these down evenly, making Jelani everything is aligned perfectly.
We're using a calibrated torque wrench here to ensure even pressure on these freshly polished clamps.
Sure you don't cross-thread the cap. Yeah, almost done with the transmission fluid.
We use only the finest microfiber on this 1966 Shovelhead. See how the polish brings out the mirror finish on the chrome.